Da sind wir bei Tourbus Stories bei What's for Beats mit Paul Potts. Paul, now we like to hear a tour bus story. Funny one, scary one. What happens when you're on tour? Really heard some hard stories here already, so don't worry about it.
Oh, there's somebody in the room that's been on the tour bus, apart from me. I'll have to be careful, he's bigger than me. I'll have to make my younger brother be the victim of this one, I think. Okay. It was the first time I toured Germany back in 2008, and my younger brother had a week off, so I invited him to come out and join us on tour. So he stayed on the tour bus. He snored so loud that he kept everybody on the bus awake.
Okay.
And my sound man was a guy called Mark who could sleep through an earthquake.
Yeah.
And he didn't sleep.
Ah, he goes
and
like that.
Yeah,
okay.
Mark came to him and said, "Oh, please don't have Tony on tour again."
Okay. Do you ever take him on tour again?
I think if he came on tour again, you'd have to go by train.
Okay. Kurze, lustige Tourbus-Stories mit Paul Potts. Wir haben natürlich gegessen, das seht ihr Dinner Time und ein geiles Unplugged von Foxes seht ihr auch noch. Und wenn euch das gefällt, abonniert es, dann ist es kostenlos. Alles klar.